Right, hi guys. So I'll be talking about the volume of cones. I'm going to quickly go through this sheet here. I've put the volume of an original cone here. The removed cone is this part, and this part of the cone is known as the frustum. You can work that out by working out the volume of the whole cone and then working out the volume of this using this formula and taking it away to get the frustum part. Now, using a question then, a waste paper basket is the same shape of a frustum formed by removing the top 10 centimeters from a cone of height 50 centimeters and radius 35 centimeters. Find the volume of the waste paper basket to significant figures. Just going to remove this part here. Right, so first of all, we calculate the volume of the cone. So the volume of the cone. Right, that can be calculated with a third. So the formula, a third times by pi times by r squared times by h, which is a third times by pi times by 35 squared times by 50, which is 64,140.85 centimeters cubed. Now the next part, the radius of the removed cone is going to be 35 divided by 5, because the cones are similar and the larger cone is an enlargement of the smaller cone. So the volume of the smaller cone, small cone, is just, again, the same formula here, but instead of that, so a third times by pi times by 7 squared this time, because that's the height, times by 10, because that's the length, and we get 513.126 centimeters cubed. Finally, to get the volume of the frustum, all we do is, so frustum part would just be 64,140.85, take away 513.126. So this take away, the cone here, take away this, and we should get a value of 63,627.723, the final value of 63,600 centimeters cubed to 3 significant figures. Remember to put that as your final format because it's asked for that in the question. And that's all. So your next question, pause the video and have a go at it yourself, and I will put up the solutions onto the next slide. And this is the solution for this one. So here you needed to work out the surface area of the curved part of the hemisphere, and then the surface area of the curved part of the cone. I've just split that up here just for the sake of not separating the calculations. Then work out the surface area of the flat top of hemisphere here, and then add them all together to find the total surface area. Remember your units because it's asked for that in the question. And the next question, again, pause this question and have a go at it, and I will put the solution up into the next slide, which is here. And that's all for now. Any questions, drop them into the comments. Thank you. Okay, bye.